This is another side of my story. I never joke with my stomach. Instead, it will remain in the pot, inside the pot. Let it pack right inside my stomach. I mean, big stomach. What I'm really talking about here is my stomach. I mean, my belly. In my own tongue, afum. You no joke with it at all. Yeah, I'm enjoying my thing. I always love water. I'm taking it down, stepping it down. It's going down, down, down. Come to think of it, have you ever think of joining me to eat one day? Oh, that sauce is there, right there. That's ugba pepper sauce with enough red oil. I mix it up to garnish it with the spices. So I'm coming down to eat my food. Don't want to rush. No rushing. I'm taking my time to eat it. What I'm talking about here is my life. No food, no life. Whatever you do, cherish your stomach. Don't you ever see enjoyment. Oh, it's time to step down. You know, that moment when you know what you're about to take, you'll be feeling so careless. Oh boy, easy now. Easy. Okay? Ew. This one is a creamy. Okay, together now it will be creamy roasted yam and pepper. This thing is going down, down. I don't joke with it. Oh, enjoyment galore. Feeling the heat, feeling the beat. That's the moment when everything you're eating is now circulating all your body parts, now feeling everywhere. All the parts that have taken its own is now going down, feeling it. Ew.